Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Essential oils for health. People first learned to extract essential oils more than 5,000 years ago. They noticed their exceptional properties and began using them. Today, nothing has changed when it comes to essential oils. They are still used for aromatherapy, wellness, everyday life, and medicine. For example, inhalations with oils. Inhalation is a therapeutic procedure that involves breathing steam from water enriched with medicinal substances or healing plants. The procedure can be done at home as often as you like. And the simplest form of it is a steam bath with a few drops of essential oil. It helps relieve nasal congestion, improve skin health, and treat various ailments. However, it does have a number of contraindications. Asthma, for example. Massage. The massage procedure itself will become many times more effective if you add an oil base with essential oils. They help improve skin elasticity, normalize the lymphatic drainage system, and provide a long-lasting moisturizing effect. When it comes to massage, you need to choose the scent very carefully, as it can even affect psychosomatics. The type of oil also determines the effect of the procedure. For example, citrus oils and clove fight cellulite, lavender restores skin firmness, and tea tree oil disinfects and treats acne. Enhancing the sauna experience. Bringing essential oil to a bathhouse or sauna will help you fully relax, relieve muscle tension, and shake off fatigue and stress. For maximum benefit, experts recommend adding the oil not to the hot stones, but to wooden benches, bath whisks, and towels. Using this kind of procedure with conifer essential oil, you can easily treat a cough, prevent respiratory illnesses, and boost your immune system. Enhancing cosmetics. Essential oils were used as skincare products in ancient Egypt. Imagine, today you can add these fragrant drops directly to your cosmetics. For example, body cream, shampoo, or a hair mask. Using tea tree oil, for instance, you can fight acne and clear your skin of breakouts. Rose oil can help a woman achieve freshness, a radiant glow, and timeless beauty. And lemon or grapefruit will get rid of that dreaded cellulite, leaving skin firm and smooth. Internal use. Yes, that's actually a thing. This use of essential oils isn't especially widespread, but it holds a notable place among experts. After all, a thoughtful approach to adding oils to food can help reduce many chronic conditions, improve overall well-being, and strengthen the immune system. However, precise dosage and responsibility are essential, as uncontrolled use can be harmful to your health. For example, lemon oil is great for weight loss, liver cleansing, improving digestion, and boosting brain function. It has a positive effect on metabolism, the circulatory system, and memory. As a bonus, you'll get clear skin and strong nails. Essential oils have been valued by people for millennia for their ability to heal the body and restore health. To fight skin conditions, restore youth and beauty. Their use remains relevant even today. And that's all for today. Take care of yourselves and stay with us.